Yes, what are we doing?
सर ये 5 बार यू खत्म हुआ था सर।
If I were you. Finished.
यस सर।
Okay. Any question from that lesson?
No, sir.
नो
No,
सर।
sir. Very good. No doubts at all. Fine. Then what is the next lesson
सर ओवर।
Sir, all lessons are over.
of this textbook?
Sir, of both.
Of
सर
both?
बोथ।
Beehive as well as moments.
Yes,
Janvi
sir.
is asking for quiz. Okay. Have you prepared, beta?
Yes, sir.
I remember in the last class you said that you have already prepared.
Yes, sir.
Who are the other children with you?
Sir, me, Aditi Jain and Rama.
Okay. So have all three joined the class today? Or
Yes,
do we
sir.
need to wait for somebody? I can see Aditi Jain's name and Rama is not there.
Sir, she is.
Sir, I am here.
Okay, she's also there. Fine. Go ahead. Let's have that quiz first and then we'll decide what to do next. You can share the screen.
No problem.
Aditi is sharing. Meanwhile, you can decide you want to divide the class in 3 4 groups or would you like to ask individually?
Sir,
Sir,
individual.
individually.
So you will call names.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
English quiz.
What was Gerard's full name? Will Gerard, Vincent Charles Gerard, James Gerard. And this question goes to Nakul Agrawal.
बी विंसेंट चार्ल्स जेरार्ड।
The answer is C. Vincent Charles Gerard.
What did the interviewer have in his hand? And this question is for Akshara Meena. A knife, a iron rod, a revolver, none of these.
Revolver.
And her answer is right.
According to Gerard, who comes to visit him? The baker, the greengrocer, the milkman, all of the above. This question goes to Shubham Sahu.
Uh, the milkman.
The answer is wrong.
Beta, if a wrong answer is given, it can be passed on to somebody else also. Like Nakul was answering. Nakul said I. So if you find somebody else willing to answer, you can give chance to them also.
Okay, sir.
What does the intruder say about his specialty? Kidnapping, murder, javel
Yes,
robbery?
next question.
None of the above. And this question goes to Ratika Gaur. Kidnapping. Any other wants to give answer?
I want to give answer.
Speak.
Jewel robbery. Option C.
The answer is correct. Javel robbery.
Who did the intruder have to get information? Himself, Gerard, police. And this question is for Hitendra Saini. Hitendra,
Yes.
answer.
A.
This question is goes to now Akshara.
A.
Sorry, Akshata.
B.
Okay, and B is right answer.
Beta, when you say B Gerard.
Yes,
At
sir.
least pick that option, whatever is there. Just don't simply tell the option number A, B, C, D. Not like that. At least take time to tell the thing what is written. What is the answer? Okay.
According to Gerard, who was the most melodramatic villain? Gerard, Intruder, both A and B, none of the above. This question goes to Pranav Srivastav.
B.
बस बी बोल के छोड़
Yes, the
दिया.
answer is correct.
अभी समझाया कि बी के साथ में
Intruder.
इंट्रूडर भी बोलो.
Who did Gerard live with? His wife, his son, friend, alone. And the question goes to Akshra Meena.
Alone.
The answer is correct. Alone.
How did the behavior when he saw the intruder with a revolver in his hand? Answer A. Options. He started crying. He remained calm. He was nervous. He was fainted. And this question is for Sham. Sham, any guesses?
B.
What B?
यार मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा ये फॉन्ट के चक्कर में.
Okay, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ. How did he behave when he saw the intruder with a revolver in his hand? He started crying. He remained calm. He was nervous. He was fainted.
He was nervous.
Any other?
Can I?
He remained calm.
Can I?
A remained calm.
Okay, it's right.
Where does the snake vanish? In the water, in the reeds, in a house, none of the above. This question is for Yeshika. Yeshika,
E वाला.
please tell the whole option.
In a home house.
Ratika,
In the water.
Pujit,
In the reeds.
correct answer.
What is the meaning of muddle? Happy, sad, feeling ill, confused. And this question goes to Gunika. Gunika,
A happy.
any other?
Can I?
Confused.
Confused.
Be confused.
Next question. What is meaning of greengrocer? And this question is for Swarnim Goyal. Green stuff seller, green grocery seller, vegetable seller, or green vegetable seller?
Green stuff seller, option A.
Okay. It passes to Pragya Kushwa. Green vegetable seller. Pujit? Pujit?
Vegetable seller.
Okay. C option vegetable seller is right.
What crime does Gerard tells to the intruder he has committed? murder, robbery, both, or none? This question goes to Ayush Jain.
Ask it to someone else. Some other children are willing to answer.
Hitendra, Pujit,
Both.
no. Any Nakul?
Murder. Murder.
murderer.
Yes. Murder is the correct answer.
What is the profession of Gerard? Criminal, writer, playwright, none. And this question goes to Pranav.
Criminal.
Repeat.
Criminal. A.
Pujit,
Can I?
Writer.
Nakul,
Playwriter.
Shubham,
C. Playwright.
correct answer. The answer is playwright.
What did Gerard say when he was carrying with shoes, glove, mustache, wig? And this answer question is for Mukund Sharma.
Wig.
Okay, it passes to Gunika Mishra. Gunika.
Mustaches.
Nakul, sorry, I didn't take your name. So, yeah, mustache is right.
In what thing did Gerard push the intruder? Garage, cupboard, car, none. This question goes to Priyanshi.
Cupboard.
Please repeat.
Cupboard.
Yes, the correct answer is cupboard.
Who are sergeant? Above inspector, below inspector, they aren't inspector, none. And this question goes to Sham Meena. Sham,
Below the inspector.
any other wants to give answer?
They are not inspector.
Man.
The correct answer is below inspector.
What does the story tells one should react in the situation? Feeling ill, helping, using intelligence, none of these. And the question is for Mukund Meena. Any guesses? Okay. It passes to Pragya.
Telling lie.
Huh?
Telling lie.
Any other? Rajvardhan.
I think the answer is C. Using intelligence.
Okay, this is right.
Did Gerard live alone? Yes. No. Not sure. This question is for Ratika. Ratika?
Yes.
Okay. This is the correct answer.
By whom Gerard was stolen by? Cousin, uncle, gypsies, doctor. And this question goes to Rajvardhan.
I think the answer is B, uncle.
Nakul, Pujit,
D doctor.
Pujit. The answer is C. Gypsies.
What is the antonym of culture? Inanimate, clean, and traditional. And this question is for Akrita Meena. Akrita, any guesses? Akrita? Okay. Now it passes to Priyanki.
Janvi, your voice is not correct. Clear, sorry.
Okay, let me repeat. What is antonym of culture? Inanimate, clear, traditional, or trade? Akrita? Okay, we'll manage.
Who is the author of If I Were You? Vikram Seth, Douglas James, APJ Abdul Kalam, or none? I would ask this question to Akshara.
B. Douglas James.
Yes, this is the correct answer.
What does the poet wish for the snake? Killed, escape unhurt, caught, all the above. And this question is for Priyanshi. Priyanshi, Ratika,
Escape unhurt.
correct answer, escape unhurt.
Next question is what is the snake trying to escape? Stone, bullet, mug, stick. And this question is for Yashika Kushwa. Yashi, Pujit.
Stick.
Okay, this one is right.
What is the nature of the green snake who is trying to escape? Harmless, furious, or annoyed? I would ask this question to Swarnim Goyal.
Harmless.
Yes, correct answer.
What appeal does the poet make to the reader in this poem? Stay away from snakes, kill snakes, treat snakes in a kind manner, none. And this question goes to Pujit.
Treat snake in a kind manner.
Correct answer. Treat snake in a kind manner.
Next question is who is the poet of the poem The Snake Drawing? WWE Rose, WWE Phrase. And this question is for Bhupendra Ojha. Bhupendra? It passes to Shamina.
WWE Freeze.
Mukund Sharma?
WWE Rose.
Okay, this one is right.
What was the snake trying to save itself from? From mongoose, from a man with a stick, all. And I would ask this last question to Pragya.
From a man with a stick.
Yes, this answer is also correct.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Good. Well done. Nicely prepared. Just one suggestion to those who prepare quiz. Quiz was good. When you type your questions, when you write it, when you're trying to prepare a PowerPoint presentation, the font selection should be appropriate. Appropriate in the sense it should be clear, readable. Font size should be something that everybody can read because it is to be done on a screen. Keeping in mind, some children have joined the class through a cell phone. That is a small screen. Some are joining, some are in the class through a desktop screen or through a laptop screen. Fine, those screens are quite big. But there may be some children who are doing it on a mobile phone. How many of you are doing it on mobile phone? $11, $12, $13, $14, $15. Out of 20, that 20 includes me. So out of 19, 50 students have joined the class through a mobile phone. Okay. So we need to keep this thing in mind. If it is shared on the screen, will they be able to read? Questions are good. Options were good. Somebody said that what was the statement? Fonts के कारण मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ. कुछ उसने बोला था ना. एक somebody said कि I'm unable to read. है ना? He was right because the font selection was not appropriate for a mobile screen. And cursive font should not be selected, chosen when you prepare a quiz, even if it is to be presented on a big screen. So don't choose cursive fonts. Okay? It looks very good. It looks very beautiful. I appreciate. The slide was looking beautiful. But our purpose is not to make slide look beautiful. Slide can look beautiful with other fonts also, which are clearly readable. Okay? Now here I have a question to the one who said that because of fonts he cannot read. वो जो भी बच्चा था, he said fonts are difficult to read. Then how could he find out which option was correct? He said option B or C something, and he was not able to read. Then because he was not able to read, he shouldn't have been able to find which was the correct answer. How could he find the correct answer? Or was it just a guess?
Sir, Janvi was read the question.
Janvi read the question, you heard it, and by hearing you found that this option
Yes,
must
sir.
be correct. Very good, beta. Very nice. Second suggestion. Acha, 15 students who did it on a mobile phone screen, did you find it difficult to read when the slide was being presented?
Yes, sir, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Because in some questions, fonts were very clear. In some questions, there were 2-3 different types of fonts used. And in this way, I would appreciate the one that was prepared for the previous lesson. Those 3 students, because those slides were little more clear, perhaps. I don't exactly remember. It was long ago. But yes, as far as I remember, those slides were clear. Okay. Second thing, when you are framing a question, you need to be grammatically correct. In some questions, I found grammatical errors. I did not want to interfere when the quiz was going on. But be careful when you frame a question, because in 2 questions, I found that what you are trying to ask was not very clear. in two questions. There was a question where at last from was needed. Word from was needed at the end of that question. So without that preposition, the question was not very clearly conveyed. Okay. Third thing, when you type, if there is a name, that name should begin with a capital letter, whichever name it was. Gerard, I saw 2-3 times, starting with a small g, because it is visually presented, so it needs to be correct. Okay. Somewhere in the options, perhaps in the very first question or in the second question, wrong article was used. In the first or second question, article in the options, a knife, and then the third option for the third, whatever was the third option, and should have been used, but only A was written there. So as I suggested, B, try to be grammatically correct when you prepare. Okay. These are not big mistakes. These are not big mistakes. It is just a suggestion. Otherwise, it was a beautiful quiz, informative quiz. I was not happy with one question. Not question, with the options used. The poet of that poem, W.W.E. Ross, W.W. and W.W. Fress, something like this. These three options were given. I was not happy with those options. You could have used any names. You could have written, instead of writing WW, you could have written William Wordsworth. You could have written John Keats. You could have written any other name. Okay. Correct answer would be only one. But at least write names which are heard, which are known. Only WW doesn't mean anything. So it gives an impression that which one should be correct. I was thinking this way, but when the first answer was given by somebody, he gave a wrong answer. So I thought, fine. Even if the options were not used nicely, the student couldn't give the correct answer in the first go. A wrong answer was given, and then in the second attempt, the correct answer was given. This is what I remember, perhaps. Still, I'm happy that only one lesson was assigned to these three girls. They did not prepare quiz only from one lesson, but they prepared some questions from the accompanying poem also. They added some questions from poem also, which I did not ask, but they have done. Good. Otherwise, questions were all very good. Information shared was all good. This was a good way of revising entire lesson. Okay. Well done, beta. These are suggestions. I'm not criticizing what you have done or what you have prepared. ठीक है? I'm still appreciating. Suggestion है जो आगे जो बच्चे करेंगे ना प्रिपेयर, उनको काम आएगा. इसके लिए suggestions दिए हैं. ठीक है? है ना? I don't want to discourage or dishearten those who have already done. जिन्होंने किया है उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया. ये suggestion है बाकी बच्चों के लिए. Okay? Fine. After this beautiful quiz, as just now you told that both books are done. Have I heard it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If both books are done, we can have two things. One is, I'll wait for today's period to finish, and I'll wait for next period also. In these two periods, I'll wait for your questions. Q&A session. All your queries, all your doubts from any lesson, from any book. Whatever you wish to ask, whatever you wish to discuss, that we can do in the remaining time today and in the next period, that is on Wednesday. ठीक है? Then we shall have grammar and writing section. Got it? Or
Yes, sir.
we can do one more thing. Today I assigned a task to all the students of class 10th. I got this idea of quiz in your class, but in your class we have done it only twice. And in 10th class I have given both books, entire books, to be prepared for quiz. Every single student got one lesson. It was given in groups like you got in groups of 3. So it will be a good presentation of quiz as well as a very good revision. So would you like to go for a revision of both books first, or shall we start grammar and writing section first?
So revision.
Sir, revision.
Acha, let me check it. Let me check it. Write R if you want to go for this kind of revision. If you say revision, that means you are only supposed to prepare quiz. And if you want to start grammar first, then write G. I would like somebody to count. Nakul, count R's and G's.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Nakul? It is 5 and 10.
Sir, only 4
5
R
R's and 10 G's.
G.
And number I can see is 20, including me. So out of 19, only 15 have voted. 4 do not want to do anything. There are 4 more children who don't want to do anything.
So my chat box is not working.
Okay, no problem. Now you can tell me.
So G.
Okay. So we have a good number in favor of grammar first. So we can do one thing. Nakul and Janvi. Nakul, how many lessons
Yes,
are
sir.
there in Beehive? And Janvi, how many lessons are there in Moments?
So,
यशिका कुशवाहा said R. चलो ठीक है, R6 हो गए तो भी अभी G11 हो चुके, 10 या 11.
sir, 11.
11 lessons in
Sir,
Moments.
Beehive.
Beehive, okay. Janvi?
Beehive.
Sir, 8.
8 lessons in Moments. So 11 and 8 is 19. And today I can see 19 students are there.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Okay. So Nakul,
Sir,
write on a page or in your notebook number 1 to 11 for 11 lessons, like this vertically. And Janvi,
sir,
write.
but 2 lessons are.
हाँ तो we'll leave those lessons. Don't worry. Janvi, write 1
Yes,
to
sir.
8. If some lessons are deleted, strike those lessons. Just lesson number, not the name of the lesson. Nakul done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are not starting it today. We shall do it in the next week. I am giving you more than enough time. Okay? Now each student can pick one lesson. If you want to do first lesson of beehive, write B1. If you want to do first lesson of moments, write M1. And first come, first get policy is there. Start writing in the chat section. B1 Pranav Srivastav. Nakul, you will note down for B, and Janvi, you will be writing it down for moments, M. First come, first get. Open your chat box. Like I can see Pranav Srivastav, Beehive 1. Akshita Meena, moments 6.
Sir, Aditi Jain also want Beehive 1.
No. What I said, first come, first get. Pranav Srivastav already got B1. Aditi Jain cannot get it now. That's why I'm asking you to write it down, because you already have written, so you know that this lesson has already been taken.
सर गुनिका ने सर 2 डाले हैं.
जो उसने पहले डाला है वो ले लो. डोंट आस्क हर अगेन, है ना. उसको दोबारा मत पूछना. जो भी उसने पहले लिखा है वो आप ले लो. ये देख के ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आपने मोबाइल फोन के मॉडल्स लिखे हैं? सैमसंग के M3, M4, B6, B9. हाँ?
Yes, sir.
सर हम अपना भी नाम डालें?
डालना ही है. आपके लिए कुछ नहीं बचेगा फिर. अच्छा, एक काम कर सकते हैं. ये जो 6 बच्चे ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, कौन से? 3 आज और 3 पहले. ये 6 बच्चों को अभी छोड़ दो. लास्ट में अगर हमारे पास लेसन्स बचेंगे तो फिर हम इनमें से किसी को दे देंगे, है ना.
तो वो बॉयज वाले ग्रुप पे कौन कौन मेंबर थे?
एक नकुल था, एक शायद पूजित था.
सर पूजित
सर.
हाँ,
नकुल
और एक
मैं
और
स्वर्णिम.
स्वर्णिम,
स्वर्णिम.
है ना.
Surname.
ठीक है, तो इन तीनों को अभी छोड़ दो. फिर लास्ट में देखेंगे अगर लेसन्स बचेंगे तो.
Sir, I want 8th chapter of moments.
बेटा राइट इट इन. अच्छा, योर चैट बॉक्स इज नॉट वर्किंग.
ओके प्रियांशी रिटर्न.
हाँ, ठीक है बेटा, राइट इट डाउन.
Sir, only 3 names are there in the beehives.
अच्छा,
Sir, first, second and fourth chapter.
अच्छा. बी सीरीज के मॉडल्स ज्यादा नहीं चल रहे हैं क्या अभी? B1. अच्छा, M सीरीज में पूरे हो गए क्या जानवी?
सर चैप्टर 1 सिर्फ बचा है.
अच्छा. हाँ देखो, M सीरीज इज मोर पॉपुलर. B सीरीज इज नॉट वेरी पॉपुलर. B1,
Sir, done of
B4,
M series.
B6, 1, 4, 6 and 2. 1, 2, 4, 6 4 है ना बेटा बी में? 8
Sir, 8 है.
नहीं नकुल, फिर से देख पूरा चैट सेक्शन एक बार चेक कर फिर से. मुझे तो बी में बहुत सारे दिख रहे हैं, बी हाइव में.
सर वो रामा निकल गई सर, स्वर्णिम निकल गया, पूजित निकल गया.
अच्छा, इसलिए. तो क्या बाकी बच्चे कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं? तो फिर हम इनको दे देते हैं जिन्होंने विलिंगनेस दिखाई है. अगर हमारे पास लेसन्स बच रहे हैं और बाकी इनके अलावा हर बच्चे ने एक एक लेसन ले लिया है, तो फिर हम इनको दे सकते हैं. चेक कर लो एक बार. और ऐसा कोई दिख रहा है तुम्हें इस लिस्ट में, पार्टिसिपेंट्स लिस्ट में, जिसने अभी तक कोई भी लेसन नहीं लिया है, तो पहले उसको लेने दो. डू यू सी समवन हु हैज नॉट टेकन एनी?
सर मुकुंद शर्मा, मुकुंद मीना.
मुकुंद शर्मा, मुकुंद मीना ने कोई सा लेसन नहीं लिया भाई. मुकुंद, दोनों मुकुंद.
श्याम, राजवर्धन.
बेटा या तो आप लोग चूज कर लो या फिर मैं अपनी चॉइस का दे दूंगा आपको लेसन. करना तो सबको है. ये जो 4-5 नेम्स इसने बताए हैं अभी, either you pick a lesson of your choice or I'll give any lesson of my choice.
नहीं सर, मुकुंद मीना ने सर एम में लिया है.
अच्छा, उधर ले लिया है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. तो एक और मुकुंद बचा है ना अभी, मुकुंद 2.
सर उसने भी सर वीआईव में.
ठीक है
सर, अब श्याम बचा है, राजवर्धन बचा है.
श्याम एंड राजवर्धन, पिक लेसन्स ऑफ योर चॉइस. इसके अलावा बेटा जो लेसन्स बचे हैं उनके लिए अगर जो बच्चे सेकेंड टाइम विलिंगनेस दिखा रहे हैं उनका नाम लिख लो, क्योंकि अब हमारे पास जितने बच्चे थे वो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं.
सर कौन कौन से बच्चे हैं?
क्या?
सर मतलब बिहाइव में चैप्टर्स.
वो बताएगा ना, मुझे थोड़ी पता है. नकुल बता बेटा.
सर ओनली 3. द लिटिल गर्ल.
सर आई विल टेक द लिटिल गर्ल.
ओके. और यहाँ पे
और कौन सा बचा है?
B6 हो गया क्या?
ले लिए तेरा नाम
B8 हो गया.
वो उसमें तेरा है.
B2 हो गया.
लिख लिया क्या मेरा?
और B2 में अदिति जैन का. B1 प्रणव श्रीवास्तव, B2 जैन, B3 जानवी, B4 अक्षरा मीना, B5 मुकुंद शर्मा, B6 पूजित, B7 मीना, B8 रामा निकरा, B9 स्वर्णिम.
Okay, Janvi, you can also read your list.
M1 प्रज्ञा कुशवाहा, M2 शुभम, M3 गुनिका, M4 मुकुंद मीना, M5 यशिका कुशवाहा, M6 अक्षता मीना, M7 रतिका, M8 प्रियांशी श्रीवास्तव.
Okay, good. This we shall start from the next week. So you have a time of 1 week. Is that enough?
Sir, so what we have to do?
Well, I'm telling. Is that enough? Is the time of 1 week enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You all have to prepare a quiz exactly like today's quiz. Not 24, 27 questions they asked. Not that such a big number of questions in your quiz. You need to have minimum 15 questions. That's it. Maximum.
Sir, Google Forms.
हाँ प्रणव, तेरा क्वेश्चन मैंने देख लिया था, मैं आ रहा हूँ तेरे से बात करने भी, है ना. मिनिमम नंबर इज 15, मैक्सिमम नंबर इज 20, but if you feel that there may be 4-5 more questions which are very good, which are very important, very good for the sake of revision, you can include those questions also. And if your number goes to 24, 25, I have no problem. If your number exceeds 20, I have no problem. But in a general case, maximum number is 20, and more importantly, minimum number is 15. कम से कम 15 क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रिपेयर करने हैं सबको. ओके
सर.
हाँ
सर मैं तो